Hi friends, this is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul Saraf Recipes in English. Today we are going to make gajar ka halwa. For that I have taken 2 liters of full fat milk. We don't have to boil the milk, we can use like this only. It will help to enhance the taste of our halwa. Now put the milk container separate. I have separated 1 kg of milk here. Put it in a slow flame to boil. I have taken 2 kgs of carrot here. Peel it off with the peeler. Then wash it properly. We have to grate the carrots. You can also use grater here, but I am using food processor to grate it because it will save time. Our carrots are little bit red in color. Now it is ready. Have a look. Whole carrots are grated now. On the other side, our milk is also boiled now. Have a look. Just stir it in a low flame. As I have divided our whole milk into 2 parts, that is 1 kg. Let's 1 kg be boiled continuously in a low flame, and on the other 1 kg I am adding citric acid with water and stir it. Just mix the citric acid. It is going to melt fully. Have a look. We have to tear the milk and put off the flame, but stir the milk continuously. Tear it till the water and paneer be separated. We have to add small amount of citric acid again and again, and have to check whether the milk and the paneer will be separated. Just stir the milk completely, but don't add whole citric acid at one time. Just stir it properly. Now take a cotton cloth and rinse it well, so that we got the paneer separate. And wash it with cold water. Have a look, we have a very good paneer now. Pure paneer of house. Squeeze it properly. Just drain all the water from the paneer. Our paneer is ready. Now take a big pan, as we are preparing 2 kgs of halwa, so we need a very big pan. We are not going to use ghee here, so I am adding 1 cup of malai in it. This is the fresh milk cream. Keep it in a low flame. After 2 minutes of stirring, we get this consistency. Just have a look. Now I am going to add all the carrot in it. Our stove flame is high at this point. Just mix it well, so that all the carrot will become softened. Just mix it continuously. After the water of the carrot dried up, I am taking 1 cup of milk which we have already boiled before and stir it, or I can say mix it well. We have to dry up this milk also. After that I am going to add some more milk. We have to repeat this process until our whole milk dried up. You can complete this process in 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps as you want. But we have to dry up the whole milk in the carrot. It is totally up to you. You can also add whole milk at one time also. Just stir between. Have a look. Now I am going to add the complete milk at third time. Mix it well and let the whole milk dry up little bit. After that I am going to add 2 cups sugar in it and stir it again. You can add sugar according to your taste also, as some people like more sugary and some like less, then it depends on your taste. I am adding 2 cups of sugar here. Stir it again. Now it is going to take at least 10 minutes. After that I am going to add paneer also, which we have already made before. I am adding the whole paneer and stir it again. We have to stir it till our whole sugar completely melt. Just look the consistency. Sugar is melted now. Now I am going to add some dry fruits according to our choice. You can add anything. You can use kishmish, you can use almonds. It depends on you. It is going to take another 5 minutes so that all the things will be mixed together. Now I am going to close the flame now. But stir it for at least 2-3 minutes more. Now the whole process is completed. Our halwa is ready now. Have a look. It looks so yummy and tasty. As we have not used any type of ghee in it, we have only used 3 ingredients to prepare the whole halwa. Hope you like the video. Share it with your friends and close ones, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.